it. I'm stuck. So, started mulching on this pile. Obviously it was that high. Now it's down to there. We're gonna mulch some more. There's some logs under here. I mean, the bigger the older we get, the bigger they seem to be getting. But this is some good soil, especially once it sits for a little bit more. Once it's mulched, if you spray it out, you don't find soil like this in Florida. There's like no sand in this. With the mulch mixed in, that's perfect. Yeah, I wish I brought the root rake so I could have raked this out a little bit. We're gonna come around here probably, mulch this, and then hit the pile from the back. But yeah, the door closed on the mulcher. It's like the ratchet strap I was using to hold it up stretched or something. But it works out good. The door's closed because there's house there, there's a camper right there, a road, and then there's houses on that side of the road. So the door closed, I can essentially throw debris at any angle, and it's just gonna land right in front of it for the most part. But yeah, we're chipping away at this. It. I'm stuck. But anyways, I was trying to go through those two trees right there, and the machine just kind of slid a little bit to the right and got stuck in between these two trees here. So that was where it was spinning the tracks. No idea how to get out of this because I don't have a chainsaw. Thought that was funny. We'll set you up over here and you can watch me figure out how to get out of there. Time to call for help, I guess. This is dumb. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is what mulch looks like with one pass on that tree, which is about 6-7 inches. And this is a much bigger tree. As you can tell, we got some bigger chunks in here. This is gone over once. We obviously will go over this again to make it smaller, but this is the big chunks. This is what it cuts off of the wood. I mean, you can see that's the size of the knives, the shape of the knives and stuff. And it just cuts it like a knife, really. This is this tree. This one is probably closer to 9 or 10 inches. So yeah, we're about to go over it again with the mulcher, make it look nicer and smaller, more uniform. But figured I'd show you just one pass over it with the door closed, mulching it back up together. We get a lot smaller pieces. And obviously we can go over this even more and make it smaller and smaller as desired. even, you know, down to very small pieces. So figured I'd just show you all that so you know what to expect. Perfect mulch. I mean, that just, we'll go over it a couple more times just to make it smaller for the customer, but that's the power of knives.